Hello! I wanted to come on here and do a quick intro before we jump into the video. I've been writing poetry for the last 10 to 15 years, and I had the idea for a typewriter poetry series where I take a poem from Emily Dickinson, who's my favorite writer, and I use the first line and I write an original poem of my own based off of her work or inspired by that first line, and I hope you enjoy it. It was a lot of fun to make. I want to put a bunch of these out as well as original poems that don't have to do with Emily Dickinson, even though she is always a huge inspiration for me. So I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.
I dwell in possibility, exist between the lines. I hold my breath through certainty, as if it were a crime. I dwell in hopeless romance. Through gritted teeth I sing. This world is mine to create, and who knows what dawn will bring.
Hello again. I wanted to jump back on here because the best shirt just came in the mail and I have to show you because it's perfect for this video, and I might just wear it every time I do my Emily Dickinson poetry series. But I found this shirt idea on Etsy like 6 months ago, and I had it in my cart forever, and then I guess the shop owner closed their shop or they just stopped selling the shirt, but I can't find it anywhere. So I got the idea for the front of the shirt from that item. Like literally all trace of it is gone. I can't find it anymore. But I decided to design my own shirt on Canva, which I didn't know you could do, and you can put designs on the front and back. So the shirt that I saw on Etsy just said Emily Dickinson was gay on the front, so I put Emily Dickinson was gay with these cute little emojis on the side. There's the little lesbian symbol, a little flower, and a heart. Plain white front. And then I found, through searching for Emily Dickinson gay pictures, a piece of art that was made by a Redbubble artist who sells this as a sticker, as totes and stuff. So I bought a tote bag from them and I scanned the image so I could put it on the back of the shirt. Is that not the cutest thing ever? That's the back. That's the front. It was only 25 bucks on Canva, and you can like adjust the image like up, down, around, wherever you want it. And it was free shipping, and it came really fast. It came in like a week and a half, and I want to crop it so I can wear it. Okay, I just cropped the shirt. This is how it looks. And this is the back. Is that not the cutest thing ever? I will put a link to the shop for the girl who made the back graphic if you want to order anything from her. I can't find her on social media. I tried searching and I didn't see any profile that looked like it matched hers, but you should definitely go support her work. I just wanted the design on the back, and she didn't have a shirt like that, so I figured I could put it on this one just for myself since I'm not selling it to anybody else, but I'm super happy with it. I think it's awesome and totally the vibe for this poetry series and everyday life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the poem, and I'm going to be putting out a lot more of these type of videos, so please stay tuned, and thank you for your support always. I appreciate you. Bye!